Headache. I have a headache. Insomnia. I can't sleep at night. Indigestion. I have a migraine. Heart palpitations. My heart is beating fast. Low blood sugar. My blood sugar is low. High blood pressure. My blood pressure is high. Fainting. I feel like I might faint. Sunburn. I have a sunburn. Ear ringing. I hear ringing in my ears. Dry eyes. My eyes are dry. Blurred vision. My vision is blurry. Stomachache. My stomach hurts. Backache. My back is aching. Toothache. My tooth hurts. Fever. I have a fever. Cough. I am coughing a lot. Cold. I have a cold. Sore throat. My throat is sore. Dizzy. I feel dizzy. Nausea. I feel nauseous. Fatigue. I am very tired. Allergy. I am allergic to dust. Sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. Runny nose. My nose is runny. Earache. My ear hurts. Muscle pain. My muscles are sore. Itchy skin. My skin is itchy. Burn. I burned my hand. Bruise. I have a bruise on my leg. Swelling. My ankle is swollen. Rash. I have a rash on my arm. Cut. I cut my finger. Blisters. I have blisters on my feet. Cramps. I have stomach cramps. Shortness of breath. I can't breathe well. Chest pain. My chest hurts. Heartburn. I have heartburn after eating. Diarrhea. I have diarrhea. Constipation. I am constipated. Vomiting. I am vomiting. Chills. I have chills. Sweating. I am sweating a lot. Dehydration. I feel dehydrated. Weakness. I feel weak. Joint pain. My joints hurt. Numbness. My fingers are numb. Stiff neck. My neck is stiff. Sore muscles. My muscles are sore after exercise. Eye strain. My eyes feel strained. Migraine. I have a migraine. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.